I was married for almost a decade to a Latina from Piedras Negras, Coahuila, Mexico. Or Eagle Pass, Texas, if you're... One of the things I remember the most was the difficulty in communications, because a lot of her family members spoke no English, and so it was up to me to kind of break it down. We'd get some tequila and we'd just start talking back and forth in English and Spanish. Like her dad, Arturo was his name, he would talk to me in Spanish, English, and sound effects. I'd ask him for directions to like McDonald's, like, hey, you get in the car? He'd say, todo derecho, and then he'd... Cuando yo soy the mailbox, pues, allá. Entonces, there's the McDonald's, but I don't have hydraulics, Arturo. But I did change his name to Arturo D-Tube.